I'm going to teach you how to organize your baking programs. So first of all, you go into this menu here, and obviously since we can set up to 999 baking programs, it can get a little bit messy here. So what you're going to do is you just put your programs into different groups. To do that, you push this for a little longer, add new group. The password again is 4 ones. And let's say you'll check what kind of groups you need. In this, let's say sweet bread or European bread. So for this one, I'll call Euro for European. All right, confirm. So now I see an empty list here, Euro. If I want to get back to all baking programs, I'll push this star here. And then I'll choose the baking program I want to add to this group, let's say baguette here. I'll push it a little longer and go to groups. Then I'll choose the group I want to add it to, let's say Euro in this case, and that's it, it's added. So if I want to find this baking program in the future, I'll just push on Euro here, and the program will show up here. Again, if I want to get back to see all of my baking programs, I'll push this star here, and that's basically it.